Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z30 by connecting it seamlessly to your smartphone and get ready to unleash the power of remote control, effortless image transfers, and instant sharing. First, grab your smartphone and head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Nikon SnapBridge and download the official app. It's free and essential for connecting your camera. Now, power on your Nikon Z30 and navigate to the setup menu. Look for the connection option, usually labeled something like Connect to Smart Device or Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Select it to initiate the pairing process. Open the SnapBridge app on your phone. It will automatically start searching for your Nikon Z30. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your camera and your phone for a smoother connection. Once the app finds your Z30, tap on your camera's model name in the app and your camera will now exchange pairing requests. You'll see a pairing confirmation code displayed on both your camera screen and your phone. Verify that the codes match and then tap Pair OK on both devices to confirm the connection. Congratulations! Your Nikon Z30 is now connected to your phone. You can now browse your photos and videos, remotely control the camera for selfies or group shots, and even adjust camera settings directly from your phone. With SnapBridge, transferring photos and videos for quick edits and instant sharing on social media has never been easier. Enjoy capturing and sharing your world.